Experience of a lifetime. Have you ever had an experience that has changed your life? Let's hear about the experiences of 3 young adventurers.
I have just come back from a fantastic trip to the Great Barrier Reef. The reef is 2,000 kilometers long and is the biggest coral reef on Earth. I swam with dolphins and turtles. There are also over 1,500 species of colorful fish on the reef, and they aren't afraid of curious divers. I've taken some amazing underwater photos.
Machu Picchu is an ancient city in the mountains, 2,430 meters above sea level. The 4-day journey on the Inca trail up the mountain was challenging and amazing. People say the ruins were a holiday resort for rich Incas. The Incas built temples, houses and parks, and many are still there to see. It's a very mysterious place because nobody knows why the Incas left. I had a brilliant time.
Not many people can say they've visited a singing hill, but I can. The Singing Dune in Altin ML is a really unique place. To get there, you drive along a track and among several trees. Before you get to the dune, there are 3 tall stones. A legend says they were put there by Genghis Khan 800 years ago. When you arrive at the tall dune, you walk to the top, and as you slide down, it starts to make a loud and beautiful singing sound.
What amazing places have you visited?